now it is all the same, just different. No one's watching us. Step inside, or we isolate a little from the world outside. It goes on, oh, it goes on, ways that you get to me grow strong. It goes on, oh, it goes on, ways that you're new to me grow strong. Some days we can stop the dark from rising. Guess we're working hard. But we stay here looking for the right signs, looking for the lives we're changing now. It goes on, oh, it goes on, ways that you'll get to me grow strong. It goes on, oh, it goes on, ways that you're new to me grow strong. Even though our hearts keep breaking, even though our hearts keep breaking, hearts keep breaking down. Breaking
Hi folks, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. If you're new to the channel, today's going to be a little bit different than typical. Typically we're working on big projects in and around the homestead here, whether it be woodworking, metalworking, or anything in between. Today is going to be more of just knocking out some small projects that I got to get done around here on the farm. You know, I woke up this morning and yesterday morning, and both days it was in the 40s, and I was having to wear a sweatshirt to get started. And you know, you see that this is the great time of year where the days are just amazing, but this time doesn't last long, and I've got a lot of projects that need to get done before it gets, you know, full on winter. So today we're going to get started. I'm going to try to trim out a window in our kitchen. We have Something you haven't really seen on this channel that much is we've been remodeling this house for about 3.5, 4 years now. And when I say remodel, we gutted it down to the studs, nothing but exterior studs. All the interior walls are torn out, all utilities, everything, and we've remodeled it back. And I've got one window that hasn't been trimmed because I wanted to get the cabinets installed, tile laid and everything before I actually trim the window. I don't know why I really haven't included a lot of the home remodel on my channel. You know, early videos included making the custom doors, doing wainscoting, and trimming out windows. But that's about the extent. I'm not sure why, it's just something I haven't really included much. I do have a custom built-in fireplace that I built that I'll show you that I videoed it, and I do plan on putting a video out. But today we're just going to trim out that window. I'd like to get a coat of paint on the gate before it gets too cold to paint. And in preparation for staining of the raised bed garden, I'm probably going to go ahead and pull all the chicken wire off of that. So let's just see what we can get done today.
Hearts worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me, with every tear that falls from your eyes. Oh, you have me completely. I'll be there when I'll be there when you need me. Trust, it builds a home, and ours is a sacred place where we both belong. Faith, a planted tree. Oh, and it's grown its roots under you and me. As long as we both breathe, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, but just as sure as the sun will rise, I'll be there when you need me, with every tear that falls from your eyes. Oh, you have me completely. I'll be there I'll be there when you need me. I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy. I'll be there when you need me.
Should have wore some gloves. All right, well, we just had a big rainstorm. I was able to get the red truck back to the barn and get all my tools unloaded before it came. I didn't even know there was a chance for rain today, so I was kind of caught off guard. But we got the gate painted, got several coats put on there. Probably wasn't the best day to be painting with it being windy, but I wanted to get it done. Got the window trimmed in the kitchen. That was another thing I wanted to get off of my list. Didn't get started on the raised garden pulling the wire off, but that's because I had another project that I'm not quite ready to show you in this video, or you may actually see it before this video. I don't know. So either way, thanks for watching. Like I always say, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like these kind of videos, hit the thumbs down button. But either way, make sure to leave me a comment and tell me why. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.